We asked 100 women each one question. This is what they had to say.
Ek dink die moeilikste ene is om kinders groot te maak. Om hulle in die weë van die Here te hou. Is die moeilikste.
The last thing I bought was a dress. I really like dresses now.
It was actually yesterday. I watched Sweet Home Alabama, however you say it. And I love the fashion in the movie, and I love the story of how she goes back to her hometown, because she made up a lie to say that she comes from a different place. And it was just cool to see how she went back to where she came from and how she embraced the hometown and her own people. That's my favorite.
I don't know, just seeing other people happy. It's nice to see other people happy. It's an infectious thing, so yeah.
Ek sal myself vergewe want is pynlik, seer. En ek sal bad voel want ek en my een suster het 'n uitval gehad, fisiek en sommer. So ek sal haar wel vergewe.
Ja.